You've probably applied every tips and tricks you have ever learned or watched on how to use Telegram, but still wondering why you're not getting the results you want. Well, maybe you're just not really aware of the things you shouldn't be doing on the platform. If that's the case, then keep on watching as we go over the 10 things you shouldn't do on Telegram. Before we start, please give us a like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's get started. First, let's talk about what is Telegram. Telegram is a messaging app that is known for its security and privacy features. It was launched in 2013 by Russian entrepreneur Pavel Durov and has since become popular around the world with over 500 million active users. Telegram allows users to send messages, photos, videos, and files to other users, either individually or in groups. It also offers a variety of features, including the ability to create channels for broadcasting messages to large audiences and bots for automating tasks and providing services. One of the key features of Telegram is its emphasis on security and privacy. The app uses end-to-end encryption for all conversations, which means that only the sender and recipient of the message can read its contents. It also offers a secret chat feature, which allows users to set a self-destruct timer for their messages, making them disappear from both the sender and recipient's devices after a certain amount of time. In addition to its security and privacy features, Telegram is also known for its openness and flexibility. The app is free and open source, and its API and protocol are available to anyone who wants to develop their own applications or services on top of it. This has led to a thriving ecosystem of third-party apps and services that integrate with Telegram. While there are a lot of ways you can grow and use Telegram for, surprisingly, there's still a lot of people who are navigating the things they should not do on the platform. So here are 10 things you shouldn't do on Telegram. Number 1. Don't share sensitive or personal information on Telegram. This includes things like your home address, phone number, financial information, and passwords. Sharing this type of information on any online platform can make you vulnerable to identity theft and other forms of online fraud. Number 2. Don't click on suspicious links or download files from unknown sources on Telegram. This can put your device at risk of being infected with malware or other malicious software. Number 3. Don't engage in illegal activities on Telegram. The app is not designed to be used for illegal purposes, and using it for such activities can put you at risk of being caught and persecuted. Number 4. Don't share content that infringes on the rights of others. This includes things like copyrighted material, images or videos of someone without their permission, and other forms of intellectual property. Sharing this type of content can get you into trouble with the law and with the platform itself. Number 5. Don't engage in abusive and harassing behavior on Telegram. The app has a strict policy against this type of behavior, and engaging in it can result in your account being suspended or even banned. Number 6. Don't share false or misleading information on Telegram. This includes things like fake news, conspiracy theories, and other forms of disinformation. Sharing this type of content can spread misinformation and cause harm to others. Number 7. Don't use Telegram for spamming or scamming. This includes sending unsolicited messages or invites, promoting fraudulent schemes or products, and other forms of spamming or scamming. Engaging in this type of behavior can get your account suspended or banned. Number 8. Don't use Telegram to engage in unethical activities. This includes things like buying or selling illegal drugs, promoting terrorism, or engaging in other forms of illegal or unethical conduct. Using Telegram for these purposes can put you at risk of being caught and persecuted. Number 9. Don't use Telegram to bully or harass others. This includes sending threatening or abusive messages, sharing personal or sensitive information about someone without their consent, and other forms of bullying or harassment. Engaging in this type of behavior can have serious consequences, both in the platform and in real world. And finally, don't use Telegram to engage in activities that violate the platform's terms of service. This includes things like using automated bots or scripts, creating multiple accounts, or otherwise using the app in a way that is not intended. Violating the terms of service can result in your account being suspended or even banned. Overall, it's important to use Telegram responsibly and to follow the platform's rules and guidelines in order to protect your safety and the safety of others. And I hope you find this video helpful. And if it did, please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to click on the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can make cold emails easy? Run perfectly designed killer cold email campaigns that turn leads into buyers fast. Introducing Pursue App by Technic Force. Cold email automation done right. Pursue App makes it easy to run successful cold email campaigns for any business. Here's what you can get in Pursue App: personalized cold email marketing engine, commercial license, lead verification system, custom-crafted customer journeys, multi-event triggers for email, deep analytics and reporting, warm leads identification, A/B testing, ready-made email themes for many niches, events and conversion tracking, integration with thousands of apps with Zapier, inbuilt API for custom integrations, multi-user support, support for Gmail, G Suite, Outlook, and SMTP, agency license, 1-year free update, 24/6 support, cold email training, and ready-made cold email campaigns. So try Pursue App now. Just go to getpursueapp.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.